one of the tallest slingshots in the world, the fastest slingshot in the world. Orlando, Florida, Melanin Coastal Network. We in Orlando, baby. We finna take on the slingshot. Here we go. Hey, the fastest one, Fast G's. It's going higher and faster this time. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh no, I'm not ready. Oh my God. Oh, I'm blacked out. Yes, I'm blacked out. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm not
Oh man, I ain't doing that no more. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. Hey, I'm scared for real. AJ, I'm scared for real. I was putting on for the camera. AJ, I blacked out and everything.
Oh my God.
Oh my, AJ, I blacked out. Oh my God. Hey, Orlando, Florida slingshot. Hey, the slingshot, Orlando, Florida, tallest one in the world. Y'all need to get down here. Hey, also come ride some roller coasters with Melanin Coastal Network, one of the hottest roller coaster clubs in the world. Hey, we're in Orlando, Florida, baby. It's going down. That was so good. Josh, what you think? What you think?
Never again.
Never again.
But look, come check out here in Orlando, iconpark, guys. The tallest slingshot in the world, guys.
In the world, Craig. In the world, Craig. Tallest, fastest slingshot in the world. Y'all better visit the iconpark in Orlando. And don't forget to check out Melanin Coastal Network. I'll come ride some roller coasters with us. Cause it's slingshot, I'm one and done. I'm one and done. Jay, that was a little scary.
Yeah, that was.